What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope everyone's doing well. This is going to be a fun video. This is something I've wanted to do for a little while now, and it's replace these Smittybilt front fenders. I've loved these fenders. They're very heavy duty. They haven't done me any wrong. I'm just wanted to change up the look, and the paint's very faded on these, so I decided to buy some Poison Spyder 3-inch flared steel fenders, and that's these right here. And so we actually got these painted. My uncle painted these, so they have a clear coat on them. They're body matched, and they look a ton better than this faded. So you can see the difference between this and this. So we're gonna work on replacing them with these, and I'm excited to see how it looks, so stay tuned. So far so good. We got this driver's side fender off. It's a real pain to get this one bolt, this top one right here, off. We had to come in with an extension like through that way, but that wasn't fun. But we got it off. That's what the side is looking like. We got this panel on, and we're gonna put some different hardware on. So this is just temporary, those 4 bolts. So we're gonna buy some to put there, but we wanted to use our own. And then we still have this side on, so making some progress. So the old fender is completely off, and if you guys are familiar with the Smittybilt fenders, you saw before how we it said to, when we installed them, to leave a little bit of that fender lip installed, or not installed, but left on there. And with the Poison Spyder ones, they say just to have this much, and we trimmed this piece off too. So that's all we need. We're gonna get it lined up, see what kind of bolt, if these bolt holes line up, or we need to drill new ones. So that's what we're gonna do, and that's where we're at in the process. This is as much as we have done on the driver's side. So we got the fender loosely mounted, but there's a gap right here that'll go away once we tighten it. And then we still have to drill the holes for up here, but we're gonna wait until we get this other side done. So once we get the other side somewhat finished, then we'll be able to really get stuff lined completely up. And then if we have to make any adjustments on either side, then we'll be able to do that instead of installing it all right away. All this. You're gonna have to hold, this is all gonna shake. I just don't want it to. Piece right there.
You just stay right on top of it. It'll just cut through eventually.
It's the most difficult angle.
Grab the yellow, the red or yellow ones. Bring those both, because there's a right and a left. You want to cut from this side. So I'd use these on there. You want to come on that side of the bracket.
Come right here.
Actually, you know what I apologize.
Yeah, I was gonna say the green ones.
Yeah.
Let me just see. Okay, cool. It's right along that. Go down with it. There. Cool.
Flow that off with compressed air. Don't touch it.
I'm recording this too. Do you want me to do this side?
Drill through it all the way. Just got to go a little further. I use two hands. It's kind of hitting that thing, so.
I know, there's no other way to go, so. So far, so good. A little more difficult than we thought it was at some points. So, we got this fender, or the passenger side fender, on loosely fit. We're really trying to work on the alignment because we want the alignment to look good so that there's no gaps in places like right there. So this is gonna get tightened up. And this is gonna get tightened up, so. And we're just gonna, we gotta drill holes, so, for the bolts to go through, but. And then we're gonna try to figure out this, can't see on this side, that gap in there. If you can, if it clears up, so you can kind of see that gap right in there. Or through here, down there. Right there. We're gonna try to fill that up with some pieces of rubber eventually, because for my old fenders where we cut, we can't add anything, so that's what we gotta figure out in the long run. I wasn't gonna probably say this until it was happening, but I know the paint match isn't exactly the same. One, because this is almost, what, 20 years old, my original paint job, and this one is brand new. So there's some fading in my old one, which doesn't help, but I am gonna be getting my Jeep wrapped. There's one project that we're working on now that is kind of gonna change the entire build. So I won't say much more than that, but with that will come a full wrap. I'm not sure what color I want to do or what will be kind of the end goal with the wrap, but it will be wrapped. I'm just gonna leave it at that. So I'm not really worried about the color difference right now. It still looks good, but the difference in age between the paints is what's gonna cause that. So we did our best, but yeah, there's gonna be a wrap soon. So wanted to throw that out there. We're all finished, guys. So I'm so happy with how it turned out. It looks so much cleaner, I think, than the Smittybilt. I've always been a fan of these Poison Spyder Fenders. I love the fabrication of them. just like the lines and how they're kind of squared off. I think it just fits the TJ better. So, oh yeah, it looks really good. I'm excited. So you guys will have to let me know what you think of them in the comments below. I want to know what your guys' opinions are. Everything's pretty much buttoned up, except for a few things like wiring that we're gonna run, but here it is. Look how clean that is. So this is it from the front. I'll pop a picture up of what it looked like before in this angle, but it's a noticeable difference with, I love how just aggressive this corner and edge looks. Whew. Oh, I'm so happy. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm really happy with this and how it turned out. I got my half doors on because I haven't had them on or taken the top off or anything like that in a long time, so I'm not running with a rooftop tent or anything like that. So my girlfriend just walked in. So I'm not running a rooftop tent right now, which is for a good reason, and you guys will find out probably in a later video. Roof rack's coming off. There's a lot to it, but you guys will just have to wait and stay tuned and pay attention to my Instagram, because I will be posting more on there about some of the things that we're going to be doing. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about the Fenders. I'm really happy. I think they look really clean. A few more things we need to tidy up, but that about does it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and then see you next time.